Hello everyone. So you've been wondering how you can become a king or how you can create Ireland. Now I'm going to show you how you can create Ireland because that is what I just did. Kingdom of Ireland, and I am the king. Now, how do you do it for Ireland and for every other kingdom? Now, what you have to do is to either inherit the title that already exists, or you can create it. Now, to create it, you have to, like here, there's going to be create. If you control the majority of the de jure counties, or duchies, I think in this case. I think counties still. Anyway, if you control the majority of them, you are gonna have this here, the create unlocked, and at that point you're gonna create the title if it doesn't exist, and you're gonna be able to be the King of Ireland, even if you don't control all of Ireland. At that point you will be able, since you have the title, to have lots of claims of de jure against the others that are not part of your kingdom. Vassalization for other counties and duchies is also going to be a lot easier. So that is how you do it. That is how you create a kingdom. You just have to control the majority of it, if of a title that already exists, and create the title. And that is it. That is how you create the Kingdom of Ireland. Why I'm making this video specifically? It's because starting in Ireland, since it's very isolated, it's one of the most common for beginners and people that start, because nobody will really interact with you, and it's full of very small independent kingdoms of one counties each. So it's really gonna be an easy start. Another place that I've seen people start is here in Sardinia, but there's sometimes like Genova and the Arab that attack, so it is not as easy. So that is it. That is how you can create Ireland, and I hope you like this video. Leave a comment below, subscribe, and see you next time. Bye bye.